Stop there, got a breaker. Dad, I got a truck out there, United Rentals out there, the parking lot still there. There's right down in the assistant. Can you just start back, find them for me, please, and bring them into the car? I'm on good, somebody, or just bring them into contingency, take the right tower shot down.
Robert, you're going to hold car 151. That's going to be the first one in the second group. 151.
Yes, sir. 151 is the house clear point. First car, second group. Thank you, Dan.
You're welcome. I got that in the